Hey guys, so I'm Moxie here again with another video. Hope you're having a great night. We're going to continue where we left off in Super Mario Odyssey. We are currently in Bowser's Kingdom, and I am officially ready to get this completed, hopefully tonight. So without further ado, let's get to it. I do not know what will happen next. I think we have to defeat a, what do you call it? A brutal. Not 100% sure though. Not 100. Maybe like little percent sure, but not 100% sure. Let's see. Main courtyard entrance. Okay. Well, something tells me I should not break these boxes yet. Okay, so there's probably two? Is there two things? Yep, the wedding's almost here. The boss is getting ready to in the keep up ahead. But you two can scram because you're definitely not invited. Oh, she's first. Here we go. I forget what I'm supposed to do. What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to hit him at her. Oh, that didn't work. Yay! Oh god. Oh, that's what I was supposed to do. Okay, and then I hit on her. Okay. I'm starting to remember this a little bit. Yeah. Oh god. Oh god. How are you not getting hurt by those flames? Alright, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Oh, there she is. Alright, and jump on her. One more hit, guys. One more hit. Ooh, okay. Oh, Vay, come on, chickie. You ain't got nothing on me. I ain't even gotten hurt yet. Ah, I'm totally jinxed it, didn't I? Maybe not. Get her. Nice! I didn't even get hurt, I don't think. Woo! There's one. Here's the other guy. Hey, the boss wasn't kidding when he said you're persistent, but I owe it to the family, to all the brutals, to come at you with everything I got. Okay, let's do it, green guy. Looks like a leprechaun. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh wow, you're like super easy. Oh, maybe not. I'm just shaking my hat so if they come near me, I don't get hit. Whoa, what the hell? Okay, okay. So I just try to find him in this mess. Oh, it's you. Whoa! Oh, he got me. Okay, I was in I wasn't very patient. Wasn't very patient. But hey, got it done. I'm not gonna, well, yeah, you know what, I'll get the moon real quick, but I do want to go back over here and try to see if there's any secrets, because I really didn't look anywhere. I just went right straight ahead, so gotta find those secrets. Oh, my pillow fell. Blech. Showdown at Bowser's Castle. Woo! And I see a lot of purple gems. I see 6 purple gems. Alright, so don't hate me. We're gonna come back over here real quick because I see. Whoa. Are you serious? There's gotta be a bird over here. What is this? So confused, but I'm telling you, there's something going on over here. Hold on. I will find it. Okay. Is there another one over here? How do I take this guy? Oh, it's a picture frame. There's gotta be something I do with this guy, no? Do I get... Alright, I gotta figure it out. Yeah, like how do I get those gems up there? Oh my god, I hate these guys. Oh my god, am I seriously gonna die by these guys? Oh wow, I almost got it. What? Okay. Dudes, I don't know. Wrong way. Huh. I'm really at a loss for words. I don't know. Unless it's like a secret. Alright, I'm over it. Let's get out of here. I can't do nothing, I don't think. Sucks, but I do want to open up these boxes real quick. Yeah, and get these parts. Alright. I totally missed so much stuff. I know I did. Ooh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Come here, you. Maybe that's what I gotta do. Sorry, guys. Hold on. It's gonna bug me, okay? I know there's a secret over here, and I'm gonna get it. Just for you guys, so that you know what it is. So, like... Can't I... I forgot how to do this already. Okay, there we go. Look at this. Where the hell does this go? See? Secret. Don't know what that does. Whoa. That was a big square. I was not expecting it to be that big, but you know. It is what it is. I'm gonna die. Totally gonna die. I don't know how to block him. Alright, so I just gotta stay on the edge. Oh god. Oh god! You guys are probably wondering, what are you doing? I am trying to break every freaking block. That didn't work out how I wanted. This is awful. This is gonna be an awful video, and I do apologize. But we're just gonna figure this out together, right, guys? No harm. No harm. I do want to come over here real quick because there are some gems before we go back over there, because I know it's probably going to be a moon. And you know what how I feel about moons. Moons are awesome. Alright, here's some more coins. Beautiful. Well, damn. This is gonna be... Let me just... Woo! Just dropped it. Let me pause it. I'll be right back. Okay. We're going back to where we were, guys. I got this, I think. I think I got this. I think I got this. I don't got it. How the f... Oh my god. Hold on a second. Why are my controllers acting up? I feel like they're gonna disconnect for a minute. I feel like they're totally gonna disconnect, but you know what? We're just gonna wing it. Alright, let's see here. Maybe I'm not supposed to break everything. Maybe I'm just supposed to break them. You know? You know what? At this point, I'm over it. Oh, I'm gonna die. Please don't kill me. Oh, like. Okay. Okay. Let's. I'll be right back. Holy cow, this is totally making me mad. Okay, deep breath. Okay, so third time's a charm, right, guys? We're gonna try this again, and I'm gonna figure out how to... Okay, well, I did that. We just gotta roll out of the way. But I gotta jump up here fast. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, come on. Got it, got it, got it. Alright, so I have to, like, roll out of the way. That's what I gotta do. Like that. Alright. Jump, jump. Got it. I wanted to smash. Oh my god, please. Please. Go. Alright, we're good. Go up, up, and... What? Oh, frick. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with life right now. Hold on. You know what? At this point, just kill me again. Because holy shit, what is going on with me? What is going on with me? Sorry guys, I don't understand life right now. Alright. There we go. After I'm like dead. Holy crap. If this guy hits me and I die, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh my god! Oh my, what? It's not that hard. It's just freaking get out of the way. Oh my, okay. Be right back. Again. Why is this so hard for me? I don't know. Hold on. Hit the pause button, Solid Moxie. What the hell? I swear. If I die again. Whew, I'm done. Tonight, this will be my one and only video tonight. Oh my god, that was close. That was super close. So far, I did not get hurt, which is a first for me. Alright, let's do this. Come on, shithead. Oh my god, see, like... Oh, I hate you. Oh, I hate this. Okay, I gotta just... Okay, that's not so bad. Come on, more. Oh my god. Please. Please, Mario. Like, seriously, give me a break, dude. Thank you. If you would have gotten hurt again, man, I would have been over it. Alright, it's not even Mario, it's just me. I don't know what's going on with me, but I cannot play Mario tonight. Something tells me I should have broke all the boxes, but you know what? We're gonna call it a day on that one. Oh my god, I am not doing that again. Why did that take so long? I couldn't, like, jump out of the way in the beginning. That was awful. I'm sorry that took so long. Oy vey. It should not have taken that long, let me tell you. So obviously, I think I just need to remember how to do for some reason, I'm just not playing good tonight. I need to get in the zone. Yeah, something tells me I'm gonna need the bird. Yeah, I'm told. Alright, so let's do this. I know I saw some coins on the sides. Let's go. I just wish the bird, like, ran faster. That'd be pretty dope. Oh, what? What am I doing with life? Okay, I was gonna say, what are you doing? Oh, there's another thing over here. That's cool. Jump. Alright. Okay, I got it. Alright, what is over here? There has gotta be a secret over here. There's gotta be. Maybe. Thing is, how do I get over there? Ooh, that's dangerous. Maybe not. Maybe not. But I do want to see what's over here. Oh, there's another light thingy. What am I doing? I don't... What? Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. I'm getting back in it. Alright. I don't know how to get those coins. I don't know how to get those. So, yeah, that kind of sucks, but, you know, it is what it is. I do have to go up there. Did you see those purple coins in the front? How do I get those? I'm gonna need the bird. Man, they did not make this one easy, did they? Not at all. Alright, so there's gotta be a way to get up here. I swear to God, if I die, oh, I'm gonna be so mad. Please don't kill me. Oh God. Thank God. Woo. Got it. Get up there, stupid thing. Alright. Is there a secret over here? Man, I don't even want to look. I just want to go forward. But my heart is telling me to look, so. Oh, look at that. It's a good thing I looked. We got some more gems. Is that it, though? That's the real question. It sure looks like it, because I am not going to try to get over there. Ooh, I see some more gems in the water over there. So what I'm going to do is... Oh, wow, Oh, come on. I hate these birds. I'm sorry, guys. If you like these birds, that's fine. But me, oh, God, I hate them with a passion. Alright. I'll probably need him in a minute. I just want to double check everything. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, let's come down here. Because I did see some gems down here. Yep. What? Could it really be that easy? Holy cow, that's awesome. Times it. Oh my god, it's already been 20 minutes. I did die a lot. Sorry, guys. I'll be better, I promise. Just gotta give me a minute to figure some stuff out, that's all. Alright. So, why do I feel like I need you? I do need you. Come on. Get away. Do I need to come down here? I feel like I don't. Then I feel like I do. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna keep going. Jump up there. There we go. I'm getting the hang of this thing. Nice. I didn't hit it right. Ow, you son of a... What am I doing? I don't know what it's supposed to do, but we're just... Whoa! Oh, God. Alright. There's obviously something down there. But I don't know what. Yeah, I freaking knew it. Son of a... They don't make this easy, do they? Nope. Alright. Deep breath. Here we go. Got it. Woo! Guys, I did not die. Can you believe it? I don't believe it. Alright, this guy again, seriously. Yeah, come here. I need you to come stomp on this thing. Come on. You know what? I really don't care. I'll be fine. I know. Okay. Alright. Oh god, I hate this guy. There we go. You're good. Thank god. Whew. Man, 23 minutes. It's alright, we got enough time, I think. There's gonna be something over here, I know it. Yep, look at that. Yep. OMG, Toad. You are like always in the outskirts. I was walking along the rooftops for so long I got lost, but I found this power moon, so not all that bad. Thank you, Toad. Thank you. Alright, so that's poison. Let's not stand on that. Ugh, I need a dang bird. Come here. Where are you? Oh my god, do I gotta go all the way back over there? Really? Really? Oy vey. Oy vey, come here. Great. Oh god. Go away. Alright, so far so good. Oh, now you respawn? What the hell? Alright. Stab it, and up, and up. Oh, this is gonna be hell. Oh, do I have to hold it? I don't have to hold it down, I just have to tap it. Oh, that's nice. I didn't know that. No wonder I keep dying. Fling it. Fling it. Fling it. Up. Fling it. Whoa, that was scary. Alright. Up. Oh, tap it. Oh god. Got it. Oh, hallelujah. Alright. We're just gonna hold on to dear life and just be patient. I'm all for it. Alright, let's go. Have it. Go. Oh god. I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm not. Woo! Oh god, I thought I was gonna die. But I didn't. Alright. Let's do this thing. Doing super awesome right now. I'm trying to see. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. Other than those coins over there. Oh, yeah. Totally missing something over there, though. See that? How do I get over there? I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Oh, hit it! Oh god. Seriously? Oh my... Mario, I am just getting so fed up with your shit right now. Guys, I'm over it. I don't like this bird. That's why Bowser. It had to be in Bowser Kingdom. They had to be like, oh, you know, let's make a freaking bird that you gotta not fly, but time it perfectly. Just climb a bit further. Great. What's this over here? Oh, that's nice. Really wanted it to be a moon, but you know, I guess you can't complain too much, I guess. Alrighty then. Up we go. Oh, I need to go that way. Shit. Drop. I'm gonna figure this out, and I'm not gonna die. I just gotta go really, really, really fast. Go. Go. Alright. Now I'm dead. No, 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 please, 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 please. Oh, I was like, I'm not gonna die. What did I do? I died. Son of a bitch. Okay. It's okay. We got those coins. We don't gotta get them again. Knock on wood. Let's get up here. And figure out where I need to go. Yeah, okay, alright. We're doing it. We're doing the thing. Up. Up. Bro. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna hit this. We're gonna hit the keep. Beautiful. And I'm gonna come over here and... Oh god. Okay. Over here. I'm gonna go over here. Jump! Jump! Miss anything? No. I'm not gonna go to the next part. I'm gonna wait until the next video. But there's gotta be something hidden over here. Gotta be. Has to be. Why would I be able to come over here if there's nothing hidden? You know what I mean? Like, that'd be dumb. Alright, maybe... Maybe not. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. Dang it. We're still looking forward to, like, getting another moon out of nowhere. Oh well. Alright, here we go. We are going to pause it here, because it has been officially 29 minutes. Let's see, we got 73 coins out of 119 moons out of 45. Well, that's not a lot, is there? Oh well, we're gonna get there, I promise. It just takes a while, a bit of time. I gotta admit though, man, this one was a little, okay, it wasn't like too hard, but it was a little nerve-wracking, especially that the stomp things, holy cow. That took a minute to complete. I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, everything else was pretty awesome. We got some moons, we got some more coins. I did die a lot, and I hate those dang birds. Like, you would think that the birds could fly, but no. But anyway, I love this game. I'm going to end this video here, and honestly, I think I'm going to make one more. I do want to get to the next section. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.